What's up guys, and welcome back to a new video review. As always in this channel we are going to cover all the cryptocurrency project, also the cryptocurrency investment website. All of that, it's not a financial advice, so please do your research before going to invest or put your money in any project we mention our channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Today's project, guys, is unique because you can now invest in the clean energy and also get a reward easily, guys, without any effort. But as I have mentioned, this is not a financial advice. You need to do your own due diligence and your own research. But for our channel, we provide you with the project we personally invest some money in. So this is one of them, Qutom. This project has been recently in this market, but the team behind it has been already working in this project for a long time. As you can see here, renewable energy trading, AI driven hydrogen staking, as well as find here other details about this project, which is the eco trading. As you can see here, guys, the energy trading, you can trade P2P or energy with your neighbors or any company as well. The product of this project, also the more information about the company, as you can see here, all the link you will find it in description section, so it will be easy for you to make your own research. You see here some pictures about the company. Hydrogen power at its very best with Qutom power upgrading. Now all individual energy trade to participate in. You can see here the goal of the company as well. You can read it by yourself. As you know, in our channel we don't read or give you all the detail about the company, so we can encourage you to make your own research. They have been working since 2013, which is great. You will see here some other details about what is. They have already an advanced algorithm that is powered by the AI, which is as well a good point for this project. Without forgetting, guys, more information about the company, and also you will find here the picture or the real picture of the company from inside, which is behind it is very clear. You will see here the team. They have been actively involved in the hydropower since 2008, as I have mentioned in the beginning of the video. Also, 200 high-powered plants are across the Europe. The team of this project is knowledgeable, also financial experts, as well as a proven track record, which is also a good point of this project. We'll see here also more information about what is this power and how does it work and how you can get your reward. You will see that also in this video and enter the platform from inside. You will see here also our way to think and work. This is the thinking in the working of this project or the team behind it. Balanced, also the future, they are looking for the futures, and they give you all the details and the news about this clean energy that will be good for our. You will see here peer-to-peer energy trading. You can trade your energy that you provide. From more and more information about this project, you will find the link as well in description section. Our industry with the green energy as well. There are more than 50 industry and also company that is improved, and here we'll find some pictures about the team, and you will see the partner of this project, the employers, which is bigger. Also the asset stake is more than $50 billion. So guys, we have an exciting thing to share with you. We are excited to share the result of our annual evaluation showing remarkable growth our energy system. 70% of our power holder who start with residentially GP have successfully moved up to industry GP trade. So this is some picture from the event, as you can see here, guys. Also, it's clear sign of the value and opportunity that the platform offers in help user to grow their energy holdings and access a guaranteed reward. So this is the picture I have get from the team, and also you will see here the team member of this project. I want to share that with you as well. Without forgetting, guys, that if you want to make an account, it's easy. You can go to the description section and click on the link. After that, make your first account. As I have mentioned before, I have already made an account and make a deposit of almost $4,000, which is getting a great revenue from it. As you can see here as well, the dashboard is easy, which is the pack investment that you can invest in 2% daily, 3%, 5%, and you can purchase that or purchase the GP using only by your balance from the account. If you want to make a deposit, all you need to do is click in deposit. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you want. Let's choose whichever USDT, ERC20, Ethereum blockchain system, and you can make your first investment. After that, you need to purchase your yield farming. This is the deposit history. As you can see here, this is the revenue that I have received. And if you want to make a withdrawal, it's easy, guys. All you need to do is click in withdraw and enter your wallet. After that, enter the amount and you can withdraw it easily, but you need to swap it to the spot and also to the funding account. If you want to do that, click in spot wallet. After that, enter the amount like this and you can click in process to swap. In a few minutes, you will see that the swap is successfully. Go back to your dashboard and you will see that has been already added to the fund. If you want to reinvest, as you can see here, click in yield. After that, purse, done the staking, and we will receive sent from the profit each day in a 24 hours, which is great, guys. And this is the invitation friend or the referral link, and I'm very thankful, guys. If you want to support us, and you can share that with your friend if you want to get more and more reward from it. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe channel, also share the video with your friend if you like it. See you in another video review. Peace.